Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce video file size in InShot. If you want to save storage space on your phone or upload videos faster to social media, reducing the file size of your video is essential. In this tutorial I'll show you how to reduce video file size in InShot step by step without losing too much quality so your videos stay sharp but easier to share. First you need to open to your InShot on your phone, and on this dashboard you'll find this video, photo or the collage. You need to tap on the video, and on the home screen you need to select the clip that you want to edit, or you can also go to the previous drafts here. Make sure you have edited all of you, trimming, adding effects, music or the text, because file size adjustment are made at the export stage. And once your video is ready, you can tap on the save in the top right corner of this icon, and this opens export setting where you can adjust resolution, frame rate and the video quality. Under the resolution, tap over there and you can select 720p for the smaller file size, still good quality for the social media, 180p for the higher quality larger files. For smaller files you need to select to this 720p over here, and you can also reduce to this frame rate, tapping on this frame rate, 30 fps for the standard smaller files, or the 60 fps for the smoother motion but the bigger file. If you don't need super smooth motion, choose to this 30 fps, and after that you can select to this save. And that's how you reduce video file size in InShot, by adjusting resolution, frame rate, and you can save storage space and upload faster while keeping your videos clear. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.